This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. In Manipur, by-elections in 4 Assembly Constituencies of Wangoi, Saitu, Lilong and Wangjing Tentha began at 7 this morning to continue up to 5 p.m. Over 1.35 lakh voters will decide the fate of 11 candidates in the fray. Polling is being conducted in 203 polling stations. Polling personnel and security forces have been deployed for smooth voting. The counting of votes will be taken up on the 10th of this month. The Election Commission had announced by-elections to 5 Manipur constituencies. However, the BJP candidate of Singat Assembly Constituency won the election unopposed after his sole rival candidate withdrew nomination. Fresh polls in 2 polling stations of 60 Pungro Kipire Assembly Constituency in Nagaland are underway today. The polling stations are 8 Kipongya Ward A Kipire Town and 11 Singrep. Voting began at 6 a.m. and will end at 4 p.m. The Election Commission on the 5th of this month had announced the repolling in these 2 polling stations after it declared the poll taken on the 3rd of the month as void. Counting of votes will take place on the 10th of this month. 2 more persons expired due to COVID-19 infection in Manipur, increasing the fatality due to the pandemic in the state to 191. On the other hand, 166 persons, including 7 personnel from Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 cases, taking the count of total cases so far in the state to 19,891. Among the new cases, 159 are locals who do not have travel history. They are suspected to have been infected through local transmission. Meanwhile, 342 more persons were also discharged from hospitals in the state, where the recovery rate has improved to 80.90%. So far, Manipur has recorded recovered and discharged cases of 16,092, while the number of active cases is 3,608. Meghalaya yesterday registered 86 new COVID-19 cases, taking active cases to 984, while 91 more persons recovered from the disease, with the recovery counting standing at 8,904. Till date, 2,08,730 persons have been tested for COVID-19 infection, of whom 1,98,751 have tested negative, while 221 persons are in institutional quarantine, 493 are in home isolation. An official bulletin said yesterday that 55,710 persons had entered Meghalaya from outside, and there are 41 containment zones in the state. Nagaland's COVID-19 caseload climbed to 9,329 after 63 fresh cases were reported yesterday. Presently, there are 997 active cases in the state. Health Minister S. Pyangnupom informed that 117 more patients have also recovered from the viral infection. So far, 8,195 persons have recovered from the infection, improving the recovery rate in Nagaland to 87.86%. The Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, and Chairman of the District Water and Sanitation Mission, Isawanda Laloo, yesterday inaugurated a training-cum-orientation program on Jal Jeevan mission in Shillong. It is a flagship program of the central government, which aims to provide functional household tap connection to every rural household by 2024. It was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15 of August last year. In Meghalaya, under the mission, the aim is to provide tap water connection to every rural household by 2023. The DC informed that so far 40% of the targeted goal of the mission has been achieved in the state. She called for active collaboration of all line departments, implementing agencies, village grassroots and village level organizations. In Assam, in a bid to improve the health condition of malnourished children, the Bongaigaon District Administration has initiated Mission Sampurna. Bongaigaon Deputy Commissioner Ms. Lakshmi Priya said the program was initiated during the Poshan Ma. The Mission Sampurna is not only to improve the health of the malnourished child, but also to realize the dream of women empowerment. Lakshmi Priya said that there are 2,500 malnourished children in the district, and within a month of launching this project, health conditions of 10% children have improved. She said that mothers are being involved in self-help groups so that they can manage their livelihoods and the family does not lose income. The mission Sampurna aims to achieve the target in 3 months in Bongaigaon district. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.